Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Quest. Today we are going to dive a little bit deeper into the neuroscience of manifestation. So you've probably heard it before that your thoughts create your reality. But what if that's not just spiritual fluff, but rather grounded in actual neuroscience? So today we are diving into the brain science behind manifestation. We are planning to draw from two visionaries, Dr. Joe Dispenza and Dr. James Doty. So let's begin. Your brain is a prediction machine. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, your brain isn't just reacting, it's constantly predicting. It uses past memories to anticipate what's coming next. That means if you're thinking and feeling the same way every day, your brain is actually just recreating the same reality every single day. Your thoughts fire neural patterns, and repeated thoughts hardwire those patterns into your brain. This is called neuroplasticity. So if you want to manifest a new life, then you must think beyond the familiar past and the predictable future. So you have to break the habit of being yourself, quite literally. The second point, heart coherence changes the game. So here's where it gets even more magical, but it's still quite a bit scientific. Your heart has its own intelligence with over 40,000 neurons. So Dr. Joe calls this the key to heart-brain coherence. So when you combine a clear intention in the mind with an elevated emotion in the heart, like gratitude or joy, you create a powerful electromagnetic field. That's the signal you send out into the quantum field. So in other words, thoughts are the blueprint, but feelings are the frequency. So don't just think about what you want, feel what it would be like if it were already done and you already had it. The mind-body magic of James Doty. James Doty's journey is the ultimate mind manifestation story. As a child, he was taught mindfulness and visualization by a woman, Ruth, I think, in a magic shop. And that was such a beautiful, heart-touching story. She guided him to calm his body, open his heart, and visualize success before his reality ever reflected it. He later became a world-renowned neurosurgeon against so many odds in his life. Here, Doty emphasizes how compassion, inner calm, and clarity literally change the brain's wiring, especially the prefrontal cortex, which governs choice and intention. So combine your daily meditation perhaps with acts of compassion. It expands your energetic field and programs your subconscious mind for abundance. The reticular activating system, your brain's manifestation filter. Here's a fun fact. You already have a built-in manifestation mechanism. It's called the reticular activating system, or RAS. It's a filter in your brainstem that decides what's important. When you set an intention and repeat it often enough, your RAS starts scanning your environment for matches, people, opportunities, and clues. So that's why writing down your goals and repeating affirmations and visualizing daily isn't just about magic, it's about mastery. It actually primes your brain to notice what was already there. Brain waves and the quantum field. Dr. Joe teaches that when we slow our brain waves from beta, which is busy thinking, to alpha or theta, which is more meditative, relaxed, and creative, we access the subconscious mind and even the quantum field. That's when we're no longer bound by linear time. We're tapping into pure potential, the realm where manifestation truly happens. So use meditation, sound, binaural beats, or breath work to enter alpha or theta daily. That's where reprogramming and manifestation becomes effortless. So what's the secret behind manifestation? It's not just wishful thinking. It's about rewiring your brain, opening your heart, and aligning your biology with your vision. Your mind is the architect, your heart is the magnet. Your energy is the signature you send out into this field. So if this resonates, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which of these neuroscience tools are you already applying, or which ones are you ready to apply from today.